Good morning, everybody. We're just sitting in line here waiting to get loaded. We've hauled 2 loads today already. Picked up some gravel from one of the pits, hauled it to the job site, and now they sent us over to this other site where we're loading A1A and taking it back to the job site. So we're just trying to figure it out. It's my first day on this job. We got old Gino here. Shout out to Gino for showing me around. He's been showing me where to go because it's kind of confusing, but we're getting it now. So he's pulling up to get loaded here. Getting our first load of A1A here at this landfill, and then we haul it to the job site and we dump it, and then we come back and we get more, and then we go back to the job site and we dump it, and we come back, we get more. It's a process, you know. That's trucking, so that's what I get paid to do. Yeah. You know, I probably spend more time looking at the reflection of my truck in windows than I do looking at the road, to be honest. It's not a good thing, but... And I can only imagine all the people inside the buildings as I'm passing by staring at myself. They probably think I'm just staring right at them, you know? They're like, what's that guy looking at? I'm just looking at my truck. That's all. So that big mine out there is the Bingham Canyon mine. It's the think Rio Tinto owns it, or Kennecott or something. I don't know. Anyways, it's a big old mine. It's like I think the largest man-made excavation in the world. Probably wrong, you know, I don't know. I'm not the brightest chicken in the coop, but Wikipedia told me. So yeah, no, it's pretty neat. Apparently it's visible to the naked eye from like outer space. It's like half a mile deep, 2 miles wide, the hole, the open pit. Anyways, pretty interesting. It's just out here on the hill. Just out here on the hill next to me. Pretty neat. Now they're loading me with X out. My first load of X out today. Guess we're gonna haul it back to the place where we were loading the A1A. So apparently this is gonna be like a transfer station for the landfill, I think. And we're getting the A1A from the landfill. So yeah, take this X out, haul it to the landfill, get another load of A1A, come back, and I think that'll be it for the day. It's about 3:20 right now, so by then hopefully it'll be, 4:30 and we'll go home, because going home is a lot better than here, right? Work, right? Anyways, that's what we're doing. Well, we finished the day off with 9 loads total. 10 and a half hours, and now we got a long drive home and I'm tired. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.